guys, welcome to Simple Math. In this set of videos, I will explain the concept of percent of a number, and I'm going to solve some exercises, okay? This is going to be the first example of, I guess, 4 or 5 exercises or examples I will provide, or I will record about percentages. And I will try to help you to understand something of checkpoint exercises, okay? So the first exercise is find the 16% of 124. For me, the best way to solve this is by using decimals, all right? So let's start with this. Okay, for me, this is the best way to solve these kind of exercises. The word of means multiplication, right? So a percent of a number is or involves a multiplication as an operation, okay? As you know, 16% is equal or is the same than 16 over 100. But if I work with 16 over 100, it means that at the end I have to change that fraction into percent. So my suggestion is work with decimals. 16 over 100 is the same than, imagine the decimal point is here, because there are 2 zeros, yes, I have to move the decimal point twice. So 16 over 100 is the same than 0.16. So it means 0.16 is the same than 16%. So every time you have to calculate a percent of a number, my suggestion is convert that percent into a decimal. So the word of means multiplication. In other words, what we have to do is like we have to multiply 0.16 times 124. How do we multiply decimals? This is something you are supposed to know. So I will write the biggest number on top, 124, and decimal point has to be below decimal point. So what I usually do is like I write the other number down and then I multiply. I write the other number down without the point. If you see this one doesn't have the point, and I will put the point at the end. This is the way I work. So 6 times 4 is 20. Oh, I'm sorry, George. What's happening to you, George? Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. 4 and you carry 2. 6 times 2, 12, plus 2, 14. 4 and I carry 1. And then 6 times 1, 6, plus 1, 7. Let's check. 6 times 4, 24, I carry 2. 6 times 2, 12, and 2, 14, I carry 1. 6 times 1, 6, plus 1, 7. I think this is good. Okay, so let's continue. Now I'm going to multiply 1 times 4, 1 times 2, 1 times 1. 1 times 4, 4. Remember to keep space here. I'm going to write a 0. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 2, 2. And 1 times 1, 1. And then I will multiply 0 times all the numbers on top, all the digits on top. I will keep, or I will leave 2 spaces here. 0 times 4, 0. Yes. 0 times 2, 0. And 0 times 1, 0. And then I add my results. This is 4. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 1. And 0 doesn't go with anything. So at the end, I put my point, and then I move in the answer. Yes, this is the answer. So, but the answer must have a decimal point. So I'm going to move 2 decimal spaces or 2 decimal places starting from this. So I'm going to move it. 1, 2. And that's it. So that means 19.84 is the 16% of 124. This is the way we calculate that. This is going to be my answer. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching Simple Math, and pay attention to the second example I will provide, okay? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.